When we buy your house, we can close quickly in little as 21 days. This means you have no showings, no strangers walking through your house, no commissions, no inspections, no repairs. You don't have to worry about having 2 mortgages. You are absolutely free of your home, and it's just done for you. One of the greatest struggles I see sellers have is they're just overwhelmed. They're paralyzed. They don't know where to start, right? They have too much stuff that needs to be done in their home. And so they just get ready, and they never execute. And so they never achieve their goals or move on to that brighter future. In real estate sales, we're taught to be scripted and use neurolinguistic programming to get one over on sellers and have these PowerPoint presentations to sell people. And this is the exact opposite. The biggest misconception I see is when it comes to selling a home is that people think they have to have all their ducks in a row. They have to get everything perfect before they can execute. And really what happens is nothing but paralysis. What you need to do is just have a conversation with me. There's no pressure, no cost or obligation. It's a quick 5-minute phone call. We'll figure out what it is you want, and we'll get you moving in the right direction. The reason they call me is they're like, oh, you're gonna buy my house, and I can stay in my home until I find my next home. And they love that, right? It's such a difference maker, and no one offers that, right? So, meaning like, I'll come in, I'll buy your home. You decide what you want to sell it for. You decide how long you want to stay in there. And then you can just transition to your next home, and you don't have the risk of having 2 mortgage payments. So traditional real estate agents, what they do is they'll get you to list this home, and hopefully they can align the closing dates so you can buy this new home, right? But what we're able to do is I'll come in here and I'll buy this home. You stay in this home until you find your next home. You don't pay rent or nothing. We agree on a price. This home is sold, and then now you can buy your new home. What's even better is when you put an offer on this home, especially in a multiple offer situation, you're not competing against other offers when you have to sell this home. You can just go straight in and buy this home and have a cash offer.